Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Zerodha account must be KYC complete and active with a trading PIN set. Once done, enable margin and commodity permissions if you need them. Make sure your ledger has the minimum margin for options. Next, open Console, go to the Profile or Permissions tab, and apply for options trading, submit the consent form, and accept the risk disclosure. This begins the approval workflow, so check email or app notifications for confirmation before you move forward. Once your options permission is active, fund the account with the required margin. Use UPI, net banking, or RTGS to transfer funds instantly. Next, enable market data and the NSE F&O segment inside Kite settings so you can view options chains. Make sure you understand margin components, span plus exposure margin, and use Zerodha's margin calculator to estimate required capital for positions. Finally, practice placing small orders. Choose an expiry, strike, and buy, or now you place live option trades. Select the option chain in Kite, pick expiry and strike, and place a buy or sell using limit or market orders. Ensure quantity matches lot size. Use charts, open interest, and Greeks to refine entries and always set stop loss and target levels. If an order fails, first check margin balance and that NSE F&O is enabled, then review error codes in the order book. If unresolved, contact Zerodha support with the error code and timestamp for fast resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.